But you're not going to believe this. Listen to me very carefully, and I want you to watch this video, the whole thing, watch it 100 times. I just met one of the highest #1 internet technical persons online. I don't know if I said that the right way. And he just showed me a trick, a secret trick to get hundreds and thousands of views on your YouTube videos per second, per minute, per hour, per day. And I tried it, and today, between the last 24 hours yesterday and today, my YouTube channel, my YouTube views from one video are up over 2,600% within 24 hours. Not even, within 8 hours. I'm going to show you exactly how I can show you how to make money, not only on YouTube, but on the internet with this one little trick. It's a trick, it's a secret that most people don't have. 99% of the people don't have, even if you're a YouTuber. I'm telling you right now, this guy's a genius, and he set me up with it, and I'd like to set you up with it too. So here we go. I'm gonna walk to the beach, but let's get started. Yeah, here we go. I'm at the beach here in the Caribbean in Mexico. We got a really cool beach club here called Mandarin. It's right on the beach. I don't know if you can see right behind. I'm actually going to walk to the ocean right there. That's the Caribbean Sea right here in Mexico. I live right on the beach, part-time. And I'm going to show you how this YouTube live stream trick works. And I'm telling you, it will change your business, it will change your income, and it will change your life literally within seconds, within minutes, as soon as you turn this thing on. And I'm gonna go back to the computer and I'll show you the statistics. I'll show you the numbers on how I went from no views, 10 views within 1 hour to 263 views, literally within minutes. So I'll get back to the computer in a little bit, but let me take a little walk to the beach here. It's about 7 o'clock, the sun is coming down. Beautiful, I live in paradise, baby, because I make all my money online, and that's what I want to show you how to do. So keep watching, let's keep going. I'll show you this little trick. YouTube live stream, baby. It's the #1 new hottest way to make money using YouTube, and YouTube is #1. It's changing the world, and it will change your life because it'll put more money in your pocket. Keep watching. Oh, and by the way, if you love this information, click the like button, smash that like button, click the notification bell, and make sure you click on all videos, get all of my videos, and also subscribe. Click subscribe. Let's go to the beach. All right, so here we go. I'm on the beach now in the Caribbean, in Mexico. There's the Caribbean Sea right behind me. And let me explain how this works. Now I'm gonna move my phone around, my camera, because I don't know if you can hear me with the wind. But listen to me very carefully, okay? If you want to make money online, you have to use every means possible with social media. Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, Google, LinkedIn, Twitter, TikTok. There's many different ways to advertise and spend money on marketing to get lots and lots of traffic and lots of leads and make a lot of money. So all the big people on the internet that are making a lot of money, they are spending tens of thousands, if not hundreds of thousands of dollars, if not millions of dollars, on advertising and marketing. That is the truth. That's how they're making all that money. However, if you are not spending money or investing money into advertising and marketing, you're gonna struggle to get views and likes and subscribers to your YouTube channel or your Facebook page, your Instagram page, or anything. Because you're not paying for an ad. Got it? So there's only two ways to make money on the internet: paid advertising, paid traffic, or free traffic. Now, this little secret trick I learned from my friend, my techie friend. He's a technologically advanced, super guy. This guy's like the #1 internet technologically advanced guy I met. And I paid him money to set this up for me, which is called YouTube live stream. But now YouTube Live has been around for a while, but there's a certain way to do it. There's only one certain secret trick way that you need to set it up, and there's a certain code that you need to have implemented into your YouTube channel to get the YouTube live stream with your videos on YouTube's front page. And that's exactly what you want, because when you get your video on YouTube's live stream front page, and let's say you're selling this cup, everybody on YouTube searching for this cup will find your live stream video, and then you start getting thousands and thousands and thousands of views and likes and customers, and start making a shitload more money. How much more money? How about 2,600% immediately? Are you interested? Keep watching, because I'm going to show you exactly how this works, and I'll even show you how to get set up in one day. Okay, so check it out. Listen, I'm back real quick at the computer from the beach. I'm going to go back out in a minute, and I'm going to listen to some live music on the beach, and I'll send you a video of that. But let me show you some statistics here. Check this out. This is real. I don't do any of this scripted stuff. I'm not scripted. I don't have a script. Everything comes fresh from my mind, my mouth, off the cuff. And I hope you love this stuff, because I'm real. I'm as real as it gets. And let me show you this here. Look at this. Look at this. This is amazing. Okay, I don't know if I need you to see this. Here's one of my YouTube channels. I have many YouTube channels. This is a brand new one called My Paradise Lifestyle, okay? So my friend applied this YouTube live stream coding secret trick. And look at this. Look at the numbers here. I want you to watch this. Look at the numbers. On yesterday, let's say on September 1st, okay? You can see that. On September 1st, there was 18 views. September 2nd, 36 views. Then we put the video on live stream. Boom. 228 views. 228 views. That is right there. And look, I got a video live right now. See, it says live? Live. It's live. Live on YouTube. On the first page of YouTube. So when you apply this, when you add this to your business, your YouTube channel, this is a 2,600% jump in views in hours. This has only been running, that was in 8 hours. No, not even 6 hours. 6 hours. I went from, and we just tested this on this new YouTube channel with one video, 18 views, up to 228 views in 6 hours. 6 hours. Wow. I was pretending that was in slow motion. Could you use that right now for your YouTube channel? How about this? How about I have my guys set it up for you? If you're ready, if you want this will change your life, change your income, you can explode your income, your profit, your money from getting more views on your YouTube channel. If you don't have a YouTube channel, I'll create a YouTube channel for you, and I'll apply this trick. We will set this up for you. Comment below, click like, click the notification bell, and subscribe to my channel right now. But send me a comment, and say, James, I'm interested. I'm in. I want to, look, I'm going crazy here. I can't believe this. I'm going to make millions of dollars from this one new, thank God for the coronavirus. This guy created this during the quarantine. He said, James, this is a new trick. Code. I have the code where we can set up the YouTube live stream and put you on the first page of every YouTube search that are people looking for your product. And I will make you rich using the #1 search engine in the world or number 2, which is YouTube. Everything is going to YouTube. You need to be on YouTube. And use this new YouTube live stream coding trick. This is what you need right here. Live. You need to be live. Okay, comment below. Send me your name, your mobile number, your country code, where you're from. Let's get on a live WhatsApp. We use WhatsApp. WhatsApp is the #1 way to talk to people. Free calls internationally. I talk to people every day in 26, 27, 28, 30 different countries who want this now. You guys got to do this, okay? Okay, keep watching. I'm going to show you some more stuff, and I'm also going to entertain you and have some fun with my videos like I always do. Comment below. Send me a comment. Say, James, I'm in. I'm interested. Give me your name. Give me your country code and your cell phone, your mobile number, and your email. We will contact you, and we'll get you hooked up. In one day, I can have this set up for you on YouTube. You on YouTube. Millions. You want to make millions? YouTube. Millions? YouTube. What? Live music every night. So I come out here every night, maybe sometimes just 15, 20, 30 minutes, and I listen to some live music. Oh, I hear another band playing around the corner, some drums. Let's go check that out. Keep watching my videos. Smash that like button, click the notification bell, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys, and I'm going to keep teaching you how to make money online, working from home. Change your life. I've got all the secrets. I've been doing this a long time. All right, I'm going to go give that guy a little propina. Propina in Spanish means tip. Give him a little tip. You know why? Because when you give, you get. You have to give money before you get money. Got it? Living in the Caribbean, baby. This is what you do at night. You put on your flip-flops. You come out. You listen to some live music. So check it out. The same guys I was just listening to down the street, they're right there right now. Playing right there at this restaurant. I just walked down the street, I checked them out. That's what you do in the Caribbean. They walk around, they play music, and they make money with getting tips from people. So yeah, if you guys want to learn how to change your life and make money on social media with YouTube, I have the #1 program right now in the world. This is the #1 program called YouTube Live Stream, and it gets your videos live on YouTube, and you get thousands of views every day. Keep watching. I'll show you how to set it up, okay? Okay, so here's how this works, okay? It's very simple. Listen to me very carefully. #1, if you already have a YouTube channel and you need more views, my #1 technologically advanced coder, my team, I have a whole team. They will set this YouTube live stream up for you. You can hear me right now. My YouTube live video is running live 24 hours a day on YouTube worldwide. I'm getting thousands of views by the minutes, okay? That's how you make money. #2, if you don't have a YouTube channel, we will show you how, or we will set up a YouTube channel for you to sell your product or service worldwide. All over the world, guys. You know, there's 26, 27, 28 countries that speak English, and they want everything coming from the USA. If you have a product or service in the USA, you need to sell it all over the world. That's how you make millions of dollars, period. But you need this new tool, YouTube live stream. We set you up in one day. Comment below. Comment. Give me a comment below. Smash the like button, click the notification bell, and subscribe. But comment. I want to comment, and I want to put you on the new track. This is brand new, September 3rd, 2020. Thank God for the coronavirus. This is what my guy created during the quarantine. He figured out a secret code with YouTube to put your videos live without paying any money for advertising. Let me say that again. You don't have to spend any money for advertising. This is free. There's no charge. YouTube Live. Are you ready to go live?